Hello, this is your boy 1 out of 20% again with a trading market recap. Today we have made we had a very good morning. It was very profitable morning. As usual, trading my Apex account. I was trading gold today, trading gold because I woke up slightly early this morning, and the S&P 500 market didn't open until 2 o'clock. And because today was some fundamentals days, core PPI and some others, I have decided to take an earlier trade before the fundamentals, just to make sure my trading day would be smooth and very profitable as it was. Last night, so we start with the bias. So yesterday, not last night, but yesterday, the market closed below the 2691 level. So today when I woke up, the market was already trading a little bit of rotation over here between slow trend and fast trend below the VWAP. There was a fail to rotation when buyers tried to achieve this 2691 level, probably to rotate and go all the way up within the CVA, but they failed. And yes, so my bias for today, first, because the LIS was sat on 2691, and because there was this failure to rotate twice in the market, my bias for the day was just to sell. As the market starts selling, I didn't get on straight away. I lost an opportunity, a very big opportunity, but I said, okay, that's fine. We lost this one. Let's see what the market will do. Today's fundamentals, we shouldn't be trading, but let's be careful and make sure we can make some profits. Probably nobody can see, but if I try to zoom in a little bit, around here I tried to make a short position, because I saw the selling. The sellers, they broke the VWAP after the rotation failure, and then the buyers, they couldn't get the market, they couldn't get to the same spot as they failed to rotate. So I assumed the market will start trading below the VWAP this morning, and there was a failure to rotate around below the VWAP, near the normal trend. The rhythm of the market was very settled in, so they were trading around this zone. And as soon as the buyers failed to rotate, I put one short. But I put a short, but I wasn't sure if the market would go down. So what I've done was I flattened the position and I didn't take any profits. I let the market be driven a little bit more, and I realized that sellers were trying to get aggressive on the selling side of the market. So I put one short over here. The market went down. Around here we were already profitable to $100, but I said, no, it's okay, let's leave it as it is. I'll wait a little bit more. And as soon as the buyers tried to make to rotate again, but they failed, I put another short, and I took literally a little bit above the fast trend finish, and that granted me a little bit of capital, maybe 200 and something, 290 or 80, I don't remember very well. Or let's put by ticks, 29 ticks. So as the sellers stop the aggressive movement, I've waited a little bit, because so the market opened below and they start failing to rotate near this level over here. I will start getting like a little bit more cautious, because at any time the market could just reverse and go all the way up, and that's what happened. So I didn't put any more positions, and the buyers trying to drag the market again to the same level, around here, around 2689, but they failed. This was a confirmation for me that I could apply some more shorts, but I haven't done, because I said, okay, that's fine, the market is moving like this, but probably might change. let's be a little bit more careful. There was a an aggressive selling coming all of a sudden. I missed a few positions, but I was able to make a quick scalp just to test to see if the market would carry on going down. And I actually did. I actually sold, put up short. That granted me another 8 or 9 ticks, if I'm not mistaken. I was in profit until I noticed that I felt like, oh no, the market, if it's still trading all the way down, probably will be able to make another profit. So on cumulative delta, I couldn't see much movement coming from the sellers. If I make a little bit of zooming around this zone, there was a little bit of selling coming on the market, but at the same time, the buyers were not participating that much. So that gave me the opportunity to prepare and place another short. So as soon as I I got filled on this position, I put another short. The market just rotates against me, so I got stopped out slightly. And as I got stopped out, um, the buyers trying to rotate again, they failed the rotation. So I said, okay, so they failed once, failed a second time. That was my confirmation that the market would go down for sure, especially because there was fundamentals coming in, and probably a lot of contestants, they wanted just to release their inventory and sell as much as they can, and then see after fundamentals probably what could happen. So I said, okay, that's fine. As soon as I saw the buyers bailing out, failing to rotate above the VWAP, and the sellers coming on the market, I applied another short. Literally, this short didn't take me too long because it was few minutes before the fundamentals start kicking in, and well, the market quickly went down. A lot of inventory being sold, and I got filled again around the same level. So I was honestly expecting to be filled more or less around here, around this price 26.76. But I said, okay, I already have a little bit of profit, and the market went against me once. As soon as the market get to the previous point where I took my first position, I will definitely uh, flatten my position and take as much as I can. So I was very positive on this trade, very confident. I knew the market wouldn't turn down just straight away, but it did at some point. But I was very confident that it would feel around the same position that I took my trade initially this morning, and that's what the market did. I filled up my positions. That granted me um, 89 ticks, converting in dollars, $890 to my account, which is really really good for a day. It didn't take me much, so it probably took me 2 hours to be filled for these four positions, five, maybe 2 hours or 1.5 hours. I'm not sure, but yeah, and it was that was it. As soon as I left my position, wow, the market just the sellers they stopped selling. All the buyers, for some reason, I think they knew the market would go against them. There was a big spike, a big spike, where probably if I was within the trade, I would probably get my position um, taken, and I would have a big drawdown on my account. So today was another day where the risk management, the right strategy, the patience, as well as knowing the market and knowing the market conditions, market structure, all of these little bits applied made me be profitable for the day. And I'm very happy for being able to control myself, not to be greedy, not to do any revenge trading, and calculate every single step. and being able to make this profit. So as you can see, 4 5 positions filled up. The market went against me. They tried to touch the previous high on the market of the day, but they couldn't. And after that, the market was just for selling, selling, selling. I was sure that the market for the day was just for selling because my strategy was just to sell. But I had to wait for the right positions and the right moment to apply the strategy. So this is for the day. This is my training of the day. I hope you guys enjoy. Any inquiries about the explanation, feel free to message me on the section below. Comment, say what do you think about this trade, what could go better. But yeah, I'm happy for the day. That was a very good profit for the day, and I hope to be able to carry on making these positive trades for the rest of the week. We have another 3 days left. Let's see if we can make those days accountable and make a little bit of more profit to add up and finish up this challenge for the next 3 to 4 weeks, or maybe less. It depends of how much we do every day. So thank you guys once again for watching. Have a nice day of trading. If you're trading gold, you know already fundamentals were today. So be patient, be visionary. Don't take positions out of nowhere, out of the blue. No, calculate every single step, analyze your strategy, and then take your profits. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Cheers.